Honestly, the GMKtec M3 Pro Mini PC has been a total revelation for my workflow, but let me explain why. I've been using this tiny powerhouse for the last few weeks, and I gotta say it's completely changed the way I approach video editing, streaming, and even general office work. From the moment I unboxed it, I was excited to see what this little machine could do, and I'm happy to report that it's exceeded my expectations in almost every way. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. As someone who's always on the lookout for the latest and greatest tech, I was a bit skeptical at first. I mean, can a mini PC really deliver the kind of performance I need for my demanding tasks? But, after putting the GMKtec M3 Pro through its paces, I'm happy to report that it's more than up to the challenge. So, let's dive right into the specs. This thing comes with a beastly Intel Core i5-13500H CPU, which I've personally found handles even the most demanding tasks with ease. Whether I'm editing 4K video, streaming my favorite games, or just browsing the web, this processor has consistently delivered smooth, seamless performance. And, paired with 32GB of DDR4 RAM, you'll have more than enough headroom for multitasking. I've had upwards of 10 applications open at the same time, and this little PC hasn't even broken a sweat. And with the massive 1TB storage, I've been able to move all my files over, and it's breathed new life into my digital life. No more scrambling to free up space or juggling external hard drives. It's been a total game changer. I've also appreciated the triple 4K display capabilities. Now, I know what you're thinking, who needs 3 monitors? But, let me tell you, it's made a world of difference for those of us working on creative projects. I can have my main timeline playing out on one screen, while referencing footage on the other, and having the third screen for notes or browsing the web. It might seem like an indulgence, but trust me, it's worth every penny. The increased productivity and reduced eye strain have been a godsend. Plus, it's amazing how much more immersive the experience is when you've got multiple screens to play with. Whether I'm working on a project or just relaxing and watching a movie, the triple 4K display has taken my computing experience to a whole new level. One of the other standout features here is the Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, which, if you haven't kept up with the latest wireless tech, is seriously fast. I've been able to stream 4K video from my phone to my desktop with hardly a hitch. And with Bluetooth 5.2 on board, I've been able to connect my headphones and mouse without any issues. The range and stability of the wireless connectivity have been rock solid, even in areas with a lot of interference. I've been able to work from anywhere in my house, without worrying about dropping the connection or experiencing lag. Another thing I want to highlight is the Intel i226V NIC, which delivers rock-solid 2.5 gigabit network speeds. This little guy is faster than my fiber optic connection at home, and that's saying something. It's crazy to think about how quickly I can transfer files, or how fast online gaming performs. I've been able to download massive files in a fraction of the time it used to take, and the online gaming experience has been silky smooth. Whether I'm competing in esports or just casually playing with friends, the GMKtec M3 Pro has delivered a lag-free experience that's hard to match. Lastly, the GMKtec warranty provides a reassuring level of peace of mind with its 1-year limited coverage. I mean, let's face it, even the best-built PCs can develop issues the odd time, so it's great to know I've got support just in case. It's always a relief to know that I've got a safety net, and that any potential issues will be taken care of quickly and efficiently. Now, I want to cover a few things that might be seen as drawbacks. To be honest, I find the BIOS interface a bit finicky. It's just a matter of getting used to it, though. And if you're someone who prefers to have loads of USB-A ports, you might be a bit disappointed. It comes with just 2. However, I've found that the USB-C port has been more than sufficient for my needs, and I've been able to connect all my devices without any issues. It's also worth noting that the compact size of the GMKtec M3 Pro can make it a bit tricky to upgrade or repair, but I've found that the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. But overall, this mini PC has been an absolute game changer for me, and I can confidently recommend it to anyone looking for a no-frills powerhouse. The combination of raw processing power, ample storage, and advanced connectivity options has made it the perfect addition to my workflow. Whether you're a creative professional, a gamer, or just someone who wants a reliable and efficient computing experience, the GMKtec M3 Pro is definitely worth considering. If you want to check out the GMKtec M3 Pro Mini PC for yourself, link is in the description below.